Hello guys, welcome to the engineering experience. Today I've got a simulation set up that's going through a non-inverting amplifier. It's just showing the effects of clamping at the power supply rails. I'm just going to go through how to change colors and things like that for the graphs so that they are easier to read. So if you wanted to change colors for, let's say, different traces, it's very easy to do. So let's, for example, we want to change the color of this trace here. We can basically change that to what we like. So blue, not as good. We can change it to red. You can do that with the other traces as well. So let's say I want to change that one to pink. They look quite similar, so I want to change it back to green. You can also change the colors of the background. So as a default, the color of the background will be black. So what you would need to do is go back here and you can turn it to white if you want. So that's all 255. And you can see maybe that doesn't look quite as good, but then you need to bring back the grids and things like that. You want them to be black. So that might be something more of what you're expecting to see on different software. So change the colors of these to black. Obviously this really does depend on your preference. You know, some people might like the traces to like the background of the graph to be black so that the others are more contrasting, if it were. You can also change the color of all the different items on the simulation. So for example, if you don't want the wires to be blue, you can change them to be green. I personally like the blue color, to be honest. It's quite nice. You can change the junctions, you can change the text, you can pretty much edit it to how you like. So going back to the waveforms, you got traces, you have more 12 traces on here. Got all the different colors there. So background, you can do a little bit of a light green maybe. So change these to 200, 200. Got a nice gray color. If you don't like any of that, then you can go straight back to black. And the axes, you want that to be white. And we're back to where we were.